Hello guys, welcome to your own YouTube channel Tech Forest. My name is Bhavesh and today we will see how to fix VMware error message which is showing on the screen when I'm trying to powering on my virtual machine. I'm getting one error message. Let me turn on my VM. Here you can see that it's showing that error while powering on VMware Player failed to start the VMware Authorization Service. You can try manually starting the VMware Authorization Service. If this problem persists, contact VMware support. So let's see how to fix that error. It's very easy, but only need to understand. Just open the run and type services.msc. It will open your services page on your Windows machine and search for virtual machine services. Just press V from your keyboard. Here I can see that one services is there, VMware Authorization Service, and in a service type it's showing disabled. Double click to open the property of the service and drop down from the startup type and click on automatic. Means once your computer will restart, it will automatically work, and click on apply. And before proceeding for OK, firstly click on this start button. Now that service has been started and click on OK. Here you can see that status showing running, service type is automatically. That is what we have to do. Minimize that, close that screen and try to run that virtual machine again. So here you can see that now my Linux is loading and I'm not getting this error message again. So I hope your issue will also get resolved by using these steps. If you learn something new from this video and if you want to appreciate my work, so please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in a next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.